How to know if someone has blocked you or deleted their account on Instagram. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how you can tell if someone has blocked you on Instagram or not. So the process is quite easy. Follow around and stick till the end to find out. So what I'm talking about is if you are trying to message someone but their account is not visible to you or it says Instagram user, then that probably means they have blocked you, or you might be confused if they have deactivated their account or just blocked you completely. So as you can see here, this profile says Instagram user, and if I try to go on their profile, you cannot see any posts or stories right there. You cannot even follow them or anything like that. So in this case, what you can do is, as you can see, I'm trying to follow it, but it's not happening. So in order to check if they have blocked you or not, you can try to message them. And if they see your message, then that probably means they have not blocked you yet, or they have just deactivated your account. But you cannot be sure. So in order to find out, you just have to open up your web browser. And once your web browser, you just want to an incognito tab. And once your incognito tab is open there, you just want to search for instagram.com/their username. And once you do that, you just want to hit enter. And if it takes you directly to their profile and you're able to see all of their posts, then that probably means that they have blocked you because on your main profile you were not able to see it. And when you use your browser on your incognito tab, you are able to see it, then that means they have for sure blocked you and not deleted their account. So that's how you can know if someone has blocked you on Instagram. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.